So let go of the control and just surrender, and you will see like eventually everything will come full circle and things will happen for you. Hi beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. My name is Ankita, your friend over here, back again with another video for all of you. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps us to reach out to more people. Thanks a lot for being here. Let me give you a little background to the topic I'm gonna talk about today. You know, something happened. I've scheduled something since long time, and when the day was there, I was not able to make that thing happen. Despite me trying to make that thing happen, I was like, this is just not working out because I was so packed. I wasn't getting time to make that thing happen. Later on, when the day got over, I realized like, okay, there was something more important than that thing. That's why that was just getting cancelled and I was not able to make time for it, even though I wanted. So, firstly, I was little disappointed. But later on, what I realized was, it's good that this did not happen because this was more important. Isn't it strange and true in our life too? Most of the time when certain things are happening in our life, at that particular moment, we are not able to understand why certain thing is happening. But once that situation passed by, we always thank like, oh, thank God that this did not happen and that did not happen. So my question to all of you is, then why do we stress, especially during the moment when things are not going our way? And you might have heard this over and over again. If you have watched my videos consistently, I have learned it hard way that actually life is like that. Things doesn't really go always the way you wanted. But the beauty of life is to accept and adopt to the situation. And this is the most difficult thing because we want certain things our way. But I have realized like, no, life is not meant to be that way. And I am seeing like, especially during that moment in time, how important it is to not lose our patience. Because if you just react in that particular moment, you will see that everything is just falling apart and it's just becoming scattered, and you will find it difficult to actually bring back that momentum. Especially when things are not going your way, you will also see like there are other things that need attention. There are other priorities also. And what I have realized is you have to be mindful that this mood and energy is not rubbing on the other thing. And I think this is the most trickiest and sensitive thing to learn. I am also work in progress. I am also learning it hard way. And I feel like I am doing a good job, not praising about myself, but whenever I'm faced with certain situation, I just tell myself later on like, Ankita, you did a good job. And you know why it is important for you to remind yourself that you are doing good? Because that way you will keep on going. I have shared this thing, I guess, in my podcast also recently, that at the moment life is so much on the go. But I'm also seeing like energetically I'm becoming more calm and peaceful. I'm like, this needs to be done, this needs to be done. There is no other way. So why to just panic? Just keep on doing and taking action one after another, and eventually thing will happen. And that's how I was able to do so many things in between. At times we are bombarded with so many things, and at that point of time we feel overwhelmed and we feel lost. Most sensible thing to do at that point of time is don't just look at so many things. Just start taking action one after another. This is easiest. Often we see like we are trapped in this pattern itself, where because of so many options and choices, there will be two things that will happen. Either you will do it or you won't do it. But sometimes we end up not doing it because we lose that focus. It is important to have focus and prioritizing certain things. I know my body was aching so much. Like literally my back was hurting a lot. But then I was like, it's okay. Just keep on doing, keep on going. And I saw like in this span of time, I have done so many things and I haven't even gotten time to process, and it has just been on the go. But I think that's how it is. Anyone who just do so many things and we feel like, oh, how they are doing all this, I think they are just in that moment and just taking action, not questioning like, is it perfect, it's not perfect, just doing it. and just doing it is the only solution. Because if you get into this trap of like, is it right, is it wrong, am I doing it perfectly or not perfectly, you will see like you won't move forward and you won't accomplish anything. Whereas if you just focus on that task and you just do, you will slowly see like all the to-dos list or whatever you wanted to accomplish, you have done that. So most of the time, this is what really matters. The little things that we do over the period of time help you see the bigger picture. These little things only makes a difference. It cannot be like one day you're sitting and you're like you will build the castle. You have to place one brick after another. Eventually the castle or the building will be formed. But if you don't focus on placing that one brick after another, you will actually find it hard to see the structure coming full circle. And that's the thing with anything that you want to do. And in this, consistency is so important. It is so easy not to do and just let certain things go. The hardest thing is to choose to show up and to perform despite whatever it is having. In both the situation, choice is gonna be yours. But I feel like the biggest difference between people who actually achieve certain things and who don't, what I have realized is, despite the situation not being in their favor, despite everything going against, they just show up, they just do it anyway. And I realize like this is the only way to move forward. At times even I find it hard to come in front of camera and even record a single video, but I'm like, it's okay, just do it, because the process is only in my hand. The outcome of people liking, disliking, reach and all is not at all in my hand. But it will be really sad if I don't show up and if I don't perform. And I feel performance is the only way out. There is no other way. So whenever you're faced with so much option, when a lot of things are happening and coming all together, just prioritize and start taking action one after another, and eventually everything will be done. And if not, just let it go. Don't hold on to certain things and don't be control freak, because the more you try and control certain things, you will see resistance over there, and the more you try to control, you will be more frustrated. Rather just give your best and just leave everything aside. Just know one thing, if certain things are meant to, it will. If not, let it go. When it's right time, it will come back, because that's the beauty of life. Sometimes certain things doesn't happen if the time is not right. Timing is so important in everything. If you're giving your 100% and if the timing is not right, you will see like you're just feeling frustrated but things are not working. But I'm not saying over here don't take action. Keep on taking action, but not from a place of trying to control the outcome. You give your best, take the action, and then leave the rest. That's what I'm trying to say. Otherwise you will be like, Ankita has told me not to take action when certain things are not happening, so why to even show up? I'm not saying that. I am saying do your part and then leave everything. Don't work on certain things by trying to control, because nothing is in our control. There is that higher power who is controlling everything. At times the best thing is to surrender and just give that breathable space to certain things to come to full circle. And when you do this, you will also realize like you will have more clarity. If certain things are not working, you will realize like, oh, there was certain other thing that was meant to happen, that's why plan A did not work. So let go of the control and just surrender, and you will see like eventually everything will come full circle and things will happen for you. So my friends, I hope this episode was helpful to you some way or the other. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. It really means a lot to me. I'm looking forward to connect with all of you in my next video. Sending you lots of love and light. Signing off from my side. Until next time, keep shining bright. Bye bye.